all dirty boy.
Thanks for coming link me for such short notice. I know you're the right man for the job. I know a long time you're a kill boy. And you put it down for a long while. But a time for the killer start kill boy again. I take care of this boy for me. Him call himself Drop Down, Drop Down, Drop Down.
What go on, dog?
Yo, dog, I can't talk right now. I get in trouble and them send a killer after me.
Yo, dog, I know nothing that you don't know we have a back in it. Anything or anything.
No back thing, dada.
Well, you know what I mean. We have a side.
Yes, dog. No, but this is an ordinary killer. Them say, this killer not chase, killer not cuss, killer pop it up and killer shot first.
Yo, my youth, you really get me some serious trouble, man.
Jesus, the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want.
Yo, see a door there.
Yo, dog, what you run for? You forgot some man a black belt.
That's true, you know?
Me could just convince him to put down the gun and see if me not mash him up.
Yo, killer, you only bad with your gun. If you ever put it down, the Bridget one guy gonna mash you up wicked.
Dog, and the hammer too.
Yeah, and the hammer too. You wanna put it down, you know? Take it to him, dog.
Yeah, show that nigga what's up. Straight up.
You one guy gonna mash him up, dog, but still.
Straight up, that's my boy.
Left hand. Bullet. I come to kill boy.
Yo, do father, don't kill me. You're my idol from a little and I grow up. Me even want to be like you when me grow up. I still want to be like you when me grow up.
And for that one moment the killer felt sympathy, and a tear went down his cheek. You.
We not have no mercy. All on your business, everybody dead. Me try to love it.
Oh, that dream.
Left hand. Kill you, you madman. Really man, you badman. All you bad out war, defend it, no you know. Me just decide to robot from hold on to crow. Talk about machine, you think I'm something we so. Guns them save up for me not Vietnam. Me slow down so baby where them happy in a gram. Me gun name no sure about.